So a lot of people want to know why some window repairs cost more than others, or some shops are more expensive than others. Typically, for us to do a window repair, most vehicles are around 200 bucks, parts and labor included. Most of that's labor, but for us, something that may take 30 minutes to do may take a regular shop 2 to 3 hours to do, simply because we've been doing this for 10 years. You can see behind me that we've been in and out of tons of vehicles. We've done thousands of windows. So for us, you know, this is, it looks a lot easier than what it is. We're very fast and efficient at what we do. Most of the time, the majority of what you're paying for when you fix a window at any shop is going to be the labor, because most companies just don't specialize in windows. So they do all kinds of other repairs, engine repairs, oil changes, suspension, all kinds of stuff. So a window repair is only one of many things that they do, so they're not as fast at it. Some other things that can factor into an expensive window repair are, once the prices start going up, usually it depends on the vehicle. Every vehicle is different. So a Chevy might be a 30-minute job, but a Toyota might be a 2-hour job, just depending on what's wrong with it. Or an older vehicle may have rivets that need to be drilled out. Some doors have the window regulator riveted in, so you have to actually go out and drill each individual rivet out, and that can add about an hour's worth of labor. Also, some regulators are what's known as a cassette style, in which case the entire inner working of the door has to be removed like a cassette tape, almost like like a cassette tape that you put in a boom box. Also, the age of the vehicle makes a difference, because the older the vehicle gets, the more brittle the panels and everything are. So if we try to work too fast, things can break and fall apart. So we have to be very careful and take a lot of time to take everything apart carefully and with great care, so we don't damage your classic vehicle, or even just an old vehicle. It doesn't even have to be a classic. Something from the 90s, you know, it's close to 20, 30 years old by now. So those things tend to fall apart. There's all kinds of different things that factor into the price of getting a window fixed. But rest assured that it's not a very easy job to do. A lot of these are very difficult and can become frustrating. And you may be able to find a really, really good deal on a window repair if you go to, you know, a shop on Broadway, or like a chop shop, because what they'll do is they'll just put a regulator in that fits. It's used, it's not really meant for your car. They may slap something in for 80 bucks, and it'll get you down the road for a few days, but then eventually that will break. So you really want to make sure that you're not only getting a good deal, but you're paying for something that's going to last. You're getting quality, you know, the best bang for your buck. So lots of different things factor into that. You can find more information out by going through our website, or even calling our office and talking to one of our diagnostic techs. And if you really have some in-depth questions, you can talk to one of the technicians. So give us a call, and you know, we'll see what we can do for you.